How to make someone like you at the first meeting. Don't know what to say or do when you meet a stranger for the first time? Not sure what signs to check for if the other party likes you? Here are some quick tips used by effective communicators. First, remember that we are all human. Sometimes the other party might be a little shy too. Have an open body language to show that you are interested. Square your shoulders to face them, point your feet towards them, and smile. Now that you've got their attention now and they are looking at you, are you wondering what to say next? Are you panicking because you think, help, I'm a boring person, there's nothing I can say? Here's the second tip. Being interested in them is the key to make you interesting. Make it all about them because it is human nature to like to talk about ourselves. Ask them for their name. A person's name is to him or her the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Show interest by repeating their name and asking if you pronounced it correctly. If it is particularly difficult, ask them how to spell it. Not only are you practicing how to say their name correctly, which is respectful, repeating also helps you remember their name for the next meeting, and that makes them feel important. Ask questions and find a commonality. Are you from the same school? Have the same hobbies? Like the same band? Find what you have in common and talk about it. It is a subject you are familiar and confident in, and people tend to feel a sense of familiarity when you share a commonality. The conversation seems to be going well, or if not so well. One easy way to check if the person you are talking to likes you is through mirroring. Are they in a similar body posture as you, or are you leaning forward while they lean back with their arms crossed? Are you using similar hand gestures, or did they just check their watch for the time? While over a meal, do they take a sip after you did, or are their feet pointed away from you towards a potential exit? Mirroring can also be used to build more rapport. Amazingly, when you mirror someone else, they like you more. Mirroring can be done when you exhibit a similar and not identical body language and even use the same words. But don't overdo it or it may seem intentional or awkward. Check again after a while if both of you are mirroring each other naturally. If yes, you are all set. This is the end of this video. Subscribe, like, and save this video if it was useful for you.